Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Chevy Equinox and I will show you which fuses to check in case your check engine light is on and the code is pointing towards the O2 sensors. So before replacing the O2 sensors, just make sure those both fuses are good, as quite often I've seen those fuses get burnt and then people replacing the O2 sensors and the problems are still here. This video will apply to Chevy Equinoxes made from 2010 all the way up to 2017. Both fuses you want to check are located in the fuse box under the front hood, which is right here. Now to remove the cover, you will have two black tabs, one on this side, one on the opposite side. So I want to press them and lift up to unlock it. On the back side of the fuse box cover, you will have a small fuse diagram, and right here, this is a fuse puller which you can use to remove and check any of the small fuses. Now the first fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 41, which is located right here. And it's a 15 amp blue fuse supplying power to the post catalytic converter O2 sensor. And the second fuse, it's a fuse number 43, which is just next to it, also 15 amp blue fuse responsible for power to pre-catalytic converter O2 sensor. So these two fuses you want to check. Like I mentioned before, I have often seen these fuses get burned out and then people just replace the O2 sensors because the codes are pointing toward those. But this is quite often the issue. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.